Stand up. Let me see you ride it.
I'll ride it.
Okay, ride it. No, stand up.
Oh, stand up. Ride it.
Go faster.
Pressure. Go faster. Water.
Are you going to go through the water? Go faster. Yeah, you're a naughty boy.
Water.
Yeah, you got your shoe in the water. Is that funny?
In the middle of that puddle over there, he rides his bike through it. And he always stops right in the middle.
Are you going to show me you ride your bike? You don't know how to ride a bike.
Hey, put my skateboard back. Now.
We're going to stop.
This one.
Let me see you ride. Oh, you are so naughty. So naughty. Can you ride backwards? Go backwards. Yeah, go backwards.
Water.
Now go backwards.
Yeah, I just did. Backwards.
There you go.
Yes, Mom.
Woo! Sweet moves, Nellie.
Mom, ready?
Yes.
Oh, Jason, I made a bigger bubble than that.
Go. Sweet moves, girl.
Get it?
Yep.